Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you the exact ways you can earn money with this platform right here called the CPAGRip.com. So make sure you do watch this video right here and make sure you do stick on, because this is going to be an amazing video for you right here, as you can learn exactly the strategies which you could use to make money on CPAGRip, and even as a beginner. And with that being said guys, let's just simply jump right into today's video. So guys, if you do head on to CPAGRip is a CPA marketing platform right here, which stands for the cost per action marketing. And guys, the CPA marketing is a type of affiliate marketing whereby you don't need to convince people to purchase any product. You don't need them to actually go on to buying any stuff right there. You just need them to do a simple survey, such as or a simple task such as submitting their email address while completing the survey, their phone numbers, their credit card details, or even downloading and running an application right there on your mobile devices. So basically guys, if you do come onto this platform, you want to just simply click on register. You'll be seeing that section right here in this particular section, but I'm actually logged into my account. But if you do click on register, you'll be brought to this particular page. All you actually need to do is to just simply fill out this form right here, which are actually being shown. And guys, you want to make sure you do focus more on the section that are having this red asterisk signs. As you can see, it indicates the required field which are necessary for you to go on to fill in. And once you fill out those fields, you want to just simply go on to this section which says publisher type. Make sure you do select the website instance or the GPT, as this is actually going to enable your account get approved instantly right there. And guys, you could read through the terms of services right here, and once you are okay with that, just simply go on to agreeing to the terms of services by checking out all these boxes right now. So once you're done, click on register now and your account should be created. Then you can then log into your account and be brought to a dashboard that will look similar to this. And right here in this dashboard guys, you can actually see a lot of people's chart right here. As you can see the public chart, you could see right here that this person actually made $558 today, with about 6,000 or about 7,000 views, 2,000 clicks, and about 250 leads. So you can see people are actually making money on this platform right now. And the first strategy, or the first way which you do make money on this platform, is by the content locking strategy. So to get access to the content locker is to head on to the monetization tools. As you can see, you could use the content locker, the URL file locker, the video lockers, or the offer walls right here. And basically all this ones actually work in a similar way. So I'm going to explain the URL file locker. It actually works in a similar way to the video locker and the content locker right now. So if I do click on the URL file locker guys, I'll be brought to a page where I can actually do click on create new URL file locker. You could read through the terms of services, come right here, agree to the terms of services, click on continue right here, and you want to make sure you do go on to lock in something right there in this your URL file locker. And guys, it's going to be a link to something that is actually valuable to your audience. You want to make sure you lock in something that is valuable to your audience, that your audience can actually go on to doing anything to gain access to that. And for them to actually gain access to the content in this your URL file locker guys, they will actually have to go through a CPA marketing offer, and if they do complete that offer, you're going to get paid some cool commission for them doing so. And guys, they are actually going to gain access to that locked content for free by doing so right there. So it's going to be a win-win for everyone. And what do you lock in this your URL file locker? You may lock in a website, a link to a page, a link to an article, or a link to an ebook right there. And you could get free ebook from this platform called the freeplrdownloads.com. You could easily get free ebooks on any niche of your choices. You could see the niches ranges from addiction to affiliate marketing, blogging, business, career, computer, content marketing, and a lot more stuff right here. The niches are actually numerous right now. So if you do go on to getting free ebooks on this platform, you just want to just simply go on to locking that ebook in your URL file locker. Maybe you could upload that ebook on your Google Drive or Google Doc and lock in the link right here on your URL file locker. Then you could then just simply go on to clicking on save, and your URL file locker will be created. So right now guys, if I do see my URL file locker right now, I could just simply click on get link, and you can see the link to my URL file locker. I could copy this link and start promoting this link right now, and as many people do click on that link, it's going to take them to a survey where they do have to actually complete some simple survey. And if they do that guys, you're going to get paid some cool commission, and they will gain access to that particular stuff in the content in the URL file locker. So basically the same strategy works with any of this right here. And guys, want to move on to the second way which you could earn money on CPAGRIP, and that second strategy right here is to go onto the offer to section and click on my offers. And if you do that, guys, you'll be able to see a lot of offers which you can actually start promoting right now. As you can see right here, these are actually offers to the Nigerian demographic. You can actually see categories of offer. For mobile install offer, your lead will actually have to install an application right there using your unique affiliate link on their mobile devices, and you do get paid some cool cash right now. And guys, for the pin submit offer, your lead will actually have to submit their phone number while going through a survey. Likewise, the email submit offer and the credit card submit offer, they have to submit their email address or zip code and credit card details while going through a simple survey, and you do get paid some cool commission for directing them to do so, maybe while signing up to a platform right there. And guys, you could filter offers on any country of your choice. Maybe you could select offer from the United States. You'll be shown offers available to that demographic, and you could go on to promoting such offers. If you click on an offer, you'll be able to see more details about that offer. You can see right here that this is actually an Android offer for Android devices, and you can see right here that it's an email and zip submit offer. The payout to this offer which you will get once you get a successful lead is $2.31. And here's your unique affiliate link to promoting this offer right now, which you could copy and start promoting this, and you can make money once you actually do get a successful lead to this particular offer right now. So guys, this is the second strategy which you could use to make money on this platform. And guys, the third way which you could make money on this platform is by the referral program. And if you do come right here, click on referral, guys, it's going to take you to a page where you can actually do see your referral link to CPAGRIP. And right now, guys, you can see your referral link right here where you can actually copy and start sharing this link right now. And the cool thing about this is that you do earn about 5% commission on all earnings of your friends which your friend do generate for life. So imagine you sharing this to about 100 people, and those 100 people register for CPAGRIP and start making money right now. You'll be earning 5% of anything which they actually do earn on CPAGRIP, and that is actually going to be for a lifetime right there. So this is a very cool strategy which you could use to make money right now. Start promoting your CPAGRIP affiliate link and start making money doing so. Once people actually do go on to registering for that CPAGRIP using your unique affiliate link and actually do go on to making money with CPAGRIP. So these are cool strategies which you can actually make money right now on such platforms. So guys, with that being said, I've actually showed you the 3 ways which you could make money on CPAGRIP even as a beginner right here. So that's it for now, guys. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If yes, why not go on to smashing the like button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure your notification bell is turned on all. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, guys, and goodbye.